Hi, it's Monday, so it's weekly home blessing day. What's a weekly home blessing? Well, that's the chores that we do to keep our house ticking over. So we would dust, mop the floors, vacuum or sweep. We would take the trash, empty the trash cans, purge our magazines, clean the mirrors and windows, and that's pretty much about it. So we tend to do that in 10-minute increments over an hour, and we don't get caught up in the perfectionism of it. This is just about kind of cleaning the surface of our home and keep it running well. Over the next few weeks, I will do a video on each of those things so that you can see how I do that and how I make that work in my home. So the great thing about Flylady is we can do that all in one day. We can do that on a Monday, or we can do it any day that suits you. For me, a Monday is good. Or you can break that down into different 10-minute tasks each day. So you could basically do one a day and maybe two on one day. I do a mixture of both depending on how my energy levels are and what kind of week I've got coming up, which is, I find, works best for me. It's all about finding your own level and what works best for you. So it's one of the great things about Flylady is it is so flexible and you can make it what you need it to be. So join me over the next few weeks to see how that family, that weekly home blessing blesses my family. Oh my goodness, that was a big mouthful to say this time of the morning. Okay, I will see you in the next video.